You don't need more motivation. You need less friction. You already want to eat better. You already try to train consistently. But by Wednesday, your fridge is in chaos, your bag's still unpacked, and you're back on the phone at midnight. This isn't a discipline problem. It's a design problem. Stanford research shows nearly 90% of habit failure comes from environmental friction. Too many steps, too much resistance between you and the action. In other words, if your space is set up wrong, you'll fail even if you're trying hard. So here's what we're doing. 10 friction removal systems I personally use. Not tips, not hacks. Each has a name, each has a setup you'll install once, each has proof it works. And we'll start with the one that fixed my sleep forever. System 1, Willpower Firewall. You don't have a nighttime routine problem. You have an internet access problem. Set your home Wi-Fi to automatically block entertainment apps, YouTube, Netflix, TikTok between 9:30 p.m. and 6 a.m. Whitelist your alarm and messages. Everything else, gone. Here's what happens. You sleep earlier, you wake clearer, and mornings stop feeling like defeat. System 2, NFC Tap to Launch. Forget routines. Install triggers. Stick a $1 NFC tag to your nightstand. When you tap it, this happens. Your lamp turns on, your wake up playlist starts, a 5-minute timer begins, and I'm up text sends. One trigger, 4 actions, 0 decisions. System 3, Zero Choice Rail. Most people fail in their workout before they even stand up because they're still deciding what to wear. Here's the fix. Install a 3-hook rail. Label them Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Each hook holds a full outfit, shoes included. No rummaging, no deciding, no excuses. You're 10 times more likely to take action when choices are limited. You don't need 14 outfits. You need 1 uniform per day. And when the clothes are waiting, you don't get ready. You just go. 3 systems, 0 morning decisions. Now let's fix your bag. System 4, the 2-bag relay. You don't forget your gear because you're lazy. You forget because your system has memory leaks. Here's the fix. Use 2 bags. One is always packed, one is always in use. After every session, reset the one you're not using. Snacks, socks, water bottle, then swap them. No more forgetting headphones, no more where's my shaker, no more morning scramble. This moves prep work from before the workout to after when you still have momentum. That's how systems stick. System 5, Modular Pod Loadout. Your bag isn't unorganized, it's unsystemized. Use 4 clear pouches stacked in order of use. Base layer, shoes, hygiene kit, snacks, and electrolytes. You don't search, you don't forget, you just grab and go. Your brain craves sequential order. You can see your prep at a glance, and if one pod is empty, you fix that pod, not the whole bag. System 6, QR pre-flight. You check your mirrors before you drive. So why don't you check your bag before you train? Stick a QR code inside your bag lid. Scan it, it opens a 20-second checklist. Water bottle, check. Headphones, check. Shoes, check. You stop guessing, you stop forgetting, you stop wasting time. Your bag becomes a self-auditing system, and you walk out ready every time. That's 6 systems, and none of them required willpower. Now, let's fix the environment where most people fail, the fridge. System 7, 3, 2, 1, shelf coding. Tracking macros is hard. Grabbing the right ratio should be automatic. Here's the setup. Label your fridge shelves by category. 3, proteins. 2, carbs. 1, wild card. Use color bins or shelf liners to make it obvious. Your brain doesn't have to decide, it just reaches. When healthy options are visible and structured, you don't need discipline, just design. System 8, default meal station. Most bad food decisions happen in the 10 seconds between I'm hungry and I give up. Design one shelf to be a wrap building line. Tortillas, lean protein, pre-chopped veg, mustard, hot sauce, tongs. It's a 60-second meal, no stove, no stress, no second guessing. You eliminate the delay gap between hunger and action. And that's where most people lose. System 9, the snack tower. Your fridge door is prime real estate. Use it like one. Fill your door rails with single serve green light snacks only. Greek yogurt, boiled eggs, hummus cups, baby carrots. The first thing you see is the first thing you eat. You're not fighting cravings anymore. You're designing what gets noticed. And when healthy is visible, it just becomes automatic. System 10, the freezer lockout. Late night cravings don't need willpower. They need an ice wall. Take your most tempting treats and freeze them inside a container of water. To eat them, you have to thaw or chip them out. Cravings fade in minutes. But if you're still willing to chip through a frozen brick, you probably do want it. If not, you just won the snack battle by default. Alright, you just saw 10 systems. Now pick your big 3. One for your room, one for your bag, one for your fridge. Install those today. Then drop your combo in the comments just like this. NFC tap, 2-bag relay, snack tower. I'll reply to everyone that comments. And if you want the full breakdown, I built you a free checklist, all 10 systems, step-by-step setup, and a weekly tracker. You can get it in the description, print it, install it. And here's the system that maintains all 10. Every Sunday, do a 5-minute friction sweep. Toss one friction food, prep one new default. That's it. Because healthy doesn't start Monday. It starts with your environment. Now, you've got 10 systems installed. But what if you want to build your own? This next video breaks down the exact 4-part framework I use to turn any behavior into an automatic system. So watch this next, and if this helped, hit like so it helps someone else.